Hello friends, welcome to Java Programming by DP Learning. In our today's lecture, we will learn about palindrome number and then implement the logic to check whether the number is palindrome or not. Okay? So friends, before proceeding to focus on how to write this program in Java, I would like to explain to you what is a palindrome number. So, palindrome number is a number that remains the same when its digits are reversed. For example, 11, 151, 75257, 123, 4321 all are the examples of palindrome number that remains the same whether written forwards or backwards. Okay, as you can see here, here if we reverse 11, then it will also read as 11. Now let me explain to you in detail by taking example of a number, say 12321. In order to implement the logic for palindrome, we will create a reversal of the number 12321. So we need two variables. One is to hold the value of the number which is entered by the user. And this way is stored in num variable. Another is rev to hold the reversed number. We will then in the end compare the value of these two numbers and check whether it is palindrome or not. So in order to reverse the number, we will use modular operator to get a remainder. More specifically, to get the last digit from the number, we will mod it by 10 and store the remainder in rem variable. We will set the variable rev equals to 0 initially, then we get remainder from the number. We can perform calculation as rev equals to rev into 10 plus rem. Okay, then we keep dividing the number by 10 to get the next digit. The loop will run till our number does not equals to 0, or we can say that it will remain greater than 0, and keep dividing it by 10 each time. Okay, so again and again we will get the reverse, and num equals to num divided by 10. Now let's check the source code of this project. Here the name of our class file is palindrome no. We import the package java.util.scanner to take the input from the user. Then we will start by writing public static void main string args. This is the entry point. We are then defining variables as num a, rev equals to 0, and rem. Just now I told you that num is used to take the input from the user and store the number in a variable called num. Then we are taking the input as system.out.println, enter any number, and num equals to sc.nextInt. Now we store the original number entered by the user in a variable, say a. Now we are using the while loop, that while num is greater than 0. It means that while the number is greater than 0, we keep on implementing the logic as rem equals to num divided by num modulus 10, then rev equals to rev into 10 plus rem, and num equals to num divided by 10. After completing all the iterations, we will compare the value as if a, which is the original number, it is a variable in which we store the value of the num number, and then we will check if a equals to rev, then we have print system.out.println entered number is palindrome, otherwise that is else system.out.println entered number is not palindrome. Okay, this is our program. Now let's when we execute this program, we will get the output as if the entered number is 956, then entered number is not a palindrome because the reverse of this number is 659. Another case is if we take 343, then it will be a palindrome number, okay, because the reverse of 343 is 343 itself. So friends, if you like my video, please press the like icon and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you and bye bye.